Hey guys, this is the start of my build. Vq35de forged. I'm going for 700 to 800 wheel horsepower. We'll just see how it works out. But this is the first start. So we got CP pistons with upgraded 0.25 wall wrist pins with eagle rods. You can't really see it, but Dynosty billet girdle in there. ARP main studs, ARP 625 head studs. And we're about to kick off the assembly of this 700 to 800 wheel horsepower capable engine. We're going to go over the entire process of assembly and the proper clearances for everything and how you can build your Z just like this. So starting off, this is just some stuff I've already just put together. It took my heads 3 months to come in, so that's what I've been waiting on. Already have the lower oil pan, my Z1 polyurethane motor mounts on here, and our head studs ready to go in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get some acetone and clean the whole block, and I'll show you guys the heads. I'll go ahead and start cleaning. Our next component in this build going in is a very important component of this build. It's the Dynosty Pro Seal head gasket. This has a molded stopper ring around the combustion chamber. When you torque down the head gasket, it forms a lot better seal directly around the combustion chamber, holding in higher boost levels. So a head gasket of this type is one you should buy. Okay, these are the Dynosty head gaskets. These are rated up to 1,000 horsepower as they claim by Dynosty, but usually with an open deck like this, you shouldn't push over 800 to 900 unless you have hoops and sleeves or CSS. So I'm gonna throw these Dynosty head gaskets along with the ARP 625 head studs. Should give us enough clamping force for 800 to 850 wheel horsepower. The next part of assembly is taking a head type of alcohol and just clean prep the block. Just getting residue off of it. We're gonna do the same thing for the heads. Acetone and light cleaner, such as that. So just go lightly across this, and we'll repeat this step for the entire block. I'll go across the whole mating surfaces. Now that I've clean prepped the block, my next step is going to be setting the head gaskets on. So, obviously after we've set our head gaskets, next thing is to clean prep the head side of everything and throw the heads on our engine. Right now we're prepping the heads just with alcohol to get all residue off, and then we'll set them on the block. We already have one on there.
Dang, she crazy.
Oh yeah. Okay. Keep videoing.
I got you.
Make sure there's
It's fucking clean
no
as
residue
fuck.
and shit on. No, that's the right. You just want to be really careful when you're doing this, not to scratch the black.
Bro, it's in there, bro.
Oh,
Yeah.
fuck, bro. Damn, I spilled oil right there, too. Bro, she's closed up finally.
Bro, for real. How long you been waiting for this?
Been waiting for it for like 2 years.
What is it, Tomei? I saw the. Oh yeah, there it is.
These are Tomei 274s. 274 11 millimeter lift. And then I have JWT springs in there.
Oh, where the springs at?
They're under these spring buckets here, the silver spring buckets.
Oh, okay, I see what you mean.
The
Damn.
boundary billet oil pump gear ties it all in together. Seriously.
Here, let me.
Okay, this part of the build, I throw in all the ARP washers, throwing them in their respective holes. So I get a screwdriver, line it up, and then. Fuck me. Oh hell. There. That was so close, bro. You know these are fatter washers than your normal ARP washers.
God damn, bro.
One of my other friends is gonna come once he gets off work.
Oh, really? Is it the same one that pulled up to my house? Him?
Oh yeah, Zach. Yeah, he's cool.
Yeah, he's cool.
There we go. It's sometimes hard to fish them in there.
She got that.
I gotta go get the ARP lube soon.
Oh, okay. So basically, like, the ARP headstuds, they're like a nut. So you know how the headstuds...
Yeah, it's a straight... Instead of it being a bolt, it's like a stud and a nut.
Okay.
So it makes it... Oh, look at that.
Oh, that was fresh.
Hint. If you're in the front of the VQ motor, you could just use your finger right here. You don't want to get it on the nut, though. You see why these washers are so good, though? It fits right in the groove inside the block. They're custom.
Oh, yeah, I just barely noticed that.
So, look. Bro, I'll take as much time to do this. Put a little bit inside of it. Okay. Yep. First ARP nut getting to
No, bro.
freaking epic. It's gonna take a while to do all this, but
Shit, I'll take my time doing this.
yeah, I know. I'm gonna, bro. I would take like a century.
Hell yeah.
I'm not gonna get it too tight. Is it? Oh, that's it. There's a 13 here.
Fucking smooth.
Yeah, that's why you add the ARP lube. Not any more than that. We want to move on to the next. Just make sure you get a generous amount of ARP lube on the threads. Just make sure that the torque you put out is the most accurate. So. Looks like properly enough. Let me get my magnet.
It's all good. God damn.
This is what magnets are made for.
Not for real.
Here. Oh, okay.
Oh, smooth. God damn.
Yeah, no. It like feels nice to like. I'm not tightening them like much at all until we get all of them on. Great lubrication of ARP. Somehow that drill bit is like perfect. It like goes inside the threads, but it doesn't like scrape it.
Not for real.
I could just do this for the ARP nut. Just bury it inside. Okay, I'm just gonna get this out. Smooth. And we have to repeat this process.
Was it
So this is first starting off. We're just going around with a normal ratchet and getting everything just snugged up.
hell yeah.
Evenly tighten everything in a crisscross pattern until you feel it get up to the spec you desire. So we're about to bring it up to the first 30 foot-pounds in the torquing. We're just getting everything situated. 30 foot-pounds. A little bit. So that's a hardly even 10. So what I do is I keep going back and forth, and this keeps increasing. You see that? It's barely going up because the head gasket just keeps stretching, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So we're almost at the 30. It should take so fucking long, bro.
I know.
But I'm doing it right, so.
Hell yeah.
Okay, 30. 31. Okay.
God
Next one's
damn.
gonna be 60.
60?
Yeah, are you recording it still?
Yeah, I'm still recording. So it's 60, then it's 100?
Yeah. You can turn off the video. What's the I guess about at 60 foot-pounds is when it stops crushing the head gasket. It's starting to like dead end.
What is the original? 60?
No, the stock OEM specs like 85.
Damn, that's a lot.
$62. Damn, that one stretched a bit.
Yeah, gotcha.
Oh my god. Wait, hold on.
It slipped?
Wait, look in here. No.
Oh yeah, so shit.
I don't know how it slipped. Maybe just because there's so much lube. I don't think it was pushed down enough. It just spun a bit. We're at like almost 70 foot-pounds. Let's just chill for a second, let it sit. This is so stressful, bro.
Yeah, it should be straight. Nah,
I just feel like I'm gonna like strip something right before it gets torqued all the way.
Yeah, no, it should be straight though. It probably just slipped out because you have so much lube on it.
Yeah, which just, well, the lube actually makes it like better because.
Or you say it wasn't all the way down?
Well, it's at like 70. Still got to bring it up 20 foot-pounds.
God damn, that's scary.
So let's chill for a second. So I'm flash.
I'm literally just leaning on this so I can torque them. Because every time you just torque them, you move the whole entire engine stand. Shit crazy.
Okay. 91. We're almost there though.
91?
Yeah.
God damn. Oh, shit.
Good God, and this shit's tightened up. Oh hell. That one's a 95. Our torque spec.
95.
We just gotta make sure they're all within that spec. Good God, that shit's hard, man.
Damn, bro.
Hey, bro, it's gonna be so fucking worth it in the end, though.
Hell yeah.
Dude.
I don't like, you probably get a run this weekend, to be honest. Do you have everything?
Yeah, I'll probably have it running this weekend without a turbo kit. Maybe just the manifold dumping.
Yeah,
just because,
yeah.
like,
yeah.
I think all the turbo kits, I still need if I'm gonna run the turbo kit with an oil down there, I have to get a scavenge pump. So we'll just see. $95. $95. This shit's fucking.
Oh, good shit, good shit.
95. Oh shit, that was 98.
Oh shit.
Hey, it could go up to 100 though.
Shit, 115.
Should we?
No, no. I feel like max probably 105, but I feel like under 100 should be pretty okay.
Man, this is so accomplishing. Okay. It's 97.
There you go, there you go.
100.
That was 100?
Yeah. Okay. 98.